the KMAX Storm Team Weather Lab, here's meteorologist Kristen Currie.
And good morning. This is what you need today. The puffy coat, the mittens, the scarf, the whole shebang, because it is cold out there and those road conditions not friendly. Let's go ahead and get started with a look at that radar. I want to start with the fact that snow falling from the sky is not happening anymore. We actually have a complete clear sky above us, and it hurt our temperatures last night. We're down to the teens this morning, but again, visibility not an issue this morning. But TxDOT cameras across the Lubbock metro area, those road conditions, like I mentioned, not pleasant. We're still dealing with those icy streets across the Lubbock metro area and really across the entire South Plains. We came in with about 6/10 of an inch at the airport here in the hub, but we've seen closer to an inch, if not more, up to the north and west. So the icy roads definitely a problem. Now I know we know how to deal with this. Snow isn't unusual for us here in West Texas, but I do want to draw your attention to a few reminders. Give yourself some extra time, 10 to 15 minutes at least, before when you normally leave. Allow some extra space between you and the car in front of you. Avoid the sudden braking. That's usually when we start to see the slipping around. And I know Lonnie just posted on my Facebook to use those turn signals. Super important today. But again, we know how to do this. I'm just here to remind you that it's not exactly pleasant out there, and it's going to be a while before we start to see those warm up kick in. We're looking at a temperature, an actual air temperature of 12 degrees here in the hub. Single digits up to the north and west. Friona and Muleshoe both looking at 2 degrees walking out the door. As I mentioned, the puffy jacket, it'll be your lifesaver today. But those feels like temperatures, we just have a light breeze coming out of the north, about 5 to 10 miles per hour. It drops those feels like temperatures down to 9 here in the hub. It feels like below 0 from about Anton and Floydada to the north. 13 below up in Friona right now, so it is very cold. The good news is those actual temperatures looking to get warmer this afternoon compared to what we saw yesterday, but a very cold start. We're a good 16 degrees colder right now than what we woke up to Sunday morning and certainly on Saturday. Saturday was gorgeous, a little breezy, but we hit 72 degrees. Yesterday, we didn't even see the 30s at all, so a big flip-flop in that forecast. The good news is we start that warm up today. Upper 30s to low 40s expected area-wide. But it's still going to be very slippery out there on those roads. Anything that thaws out this afternoon does look to refreeze overnight, so that's something we'll have to watch as well. But notice your futurecast starting this morning, we got nothing but sunshine expected this afternoon, so that will help, and the sunshine sticks around for at least the next 4 to 5 days. Notice though, overnight lows, that does say 20 degrees. It will be another headache tomorrow morning with those morning commute conditions. Sunshine continues through Thursday. Temperatures starting to warm up. Upper 40s by tomorrow afternoon. We hit those 50s Wednesday and Thursday. Weak cold front moving in late Thursday into Friday. I don't expect anything in the form of rain just yet, but we will see just a slight cool down in those temperatures in those mid 40s on Friday. Weekend looks good. Might see a little bit in the way of some weak showers. I'm going to watch that, but I'm going to keep those warmer temperatures in those low 60s by Sunday. So as long as we can get past this morning and tomorrow, we'll be good. But very slippery out there.
Isn't it crazy how fast it changed from Saturday being beautiful to Sunday being miserable?
It's literally impossible as a forecaster. You go, yes, Saturday. Sunday, I didn't leave the house.
Yeah.
It was so cold. And this morning, it's 2 a.m. and I'm wiping an inch of snow off my windshield.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Huh?
It is.
Only here.
I know.
All right, Kristen, thank you. In